Question number 24. I seriously like this question. Why? I'll tell you after solving this question that why this question is very interesting. First of all, let's solve it. Now we have an equation where this is a quadratic equation, two factors. That means it will be, if you multiply, that is going to be a quadratic equation. So it should have two solutions. First point that you should always remember that the degree of the polynomial is actually the maximum possible number of factors there. And here these two linear factors are 2, 2, so it's a quadratic equation. So it must have two solutions. And if we see the options, first and second, first and third, second and third, three solutions are not possible because it's going to be a quadratic equation, right? So how to solve it to get the two factors? Let's write it first. X minus a times x minus 29 is equal to x minus 29. Subtracting x minus 29 on both sides. Now this is one term and this is one term. So x minus 29 is common in both, so that will be taken out and we will be left with x minus a minus 1. Now again, this is very important. You know, sometimes in hurry we make a mistake. Okay, we have taken x minus 29 as common and so we forget to write this negative 1 here. So we have to be very careful that okay, 1 is a factor of it. So it has to be 1 here is equal to 0. Now let's put these two factors is equal to 0 by the 0 property. So here x is equal to 29, okay, third option, and adding a and 1 on both sides, so x is equal to a plus 1, and second. So second and third are the right options, right? Two solutions are there. Now what if you forget this thing, right? This is why this question is very interesting. What if you forget this, that this is a quadratic equation and it's going to have two solutions? Maybe under stress you will solve it like this. Let's see. X minus a times x minus 29 is equal to x minus 29. Now you may think that let's divide x minus 29 on both sides and you will end up at this, and then adding a on both sides is equal to 1 plus a, right? So second is the right option. But let me tell you one thing. Whenever you have to solve for x, never cancel any factor. If you are cancelling a factor, you are deleting one possible value of x. So always remember this thing. Never cancel a factor, because if you cancel this factor, x is equal to 29 will be deleted. Here in this question, what is the beauty of this question? That no option is giving you that only second solution is possible. So you may think twice that there is no such option with second option only, and you may end up with the right answer. But always remember this thing, that no factor should be cancelled. I hope that is clear.